Remove the main power output wire. Unscrew the two bolts. Unscrew the 4 bolts on the panel. Remove the 4 nuts outside the metal cover. Remove the metal cover. Unscrew the polarity screws of output wire. Unplug signal wire. Take out the main power output wire. Replace with a new output wire. Note the positive and negative poles. Screw the 2 bolts of the power output wire. Tighten the polarity bolts first. Please refer to the following wire sequence. Plug the signal wire back in. Put the metal cover back on. Tighten the 4 screws. Reinstall the panel and tighten the panel bolts. Then tighten the 2 bolts of the output wire. At this point, main power output wire replacement is over.